Do you know how traveling is about like going a bit farther than normally, trying new things, exploring? I always feel stupid. Doesn't make sense. But going around with a camera can be a bit embarrassing. Going around with a camera and GoPro, taking footage of how you shoot pictures. I don't think I was there yet in Leeds, so now that I'm in Lisbon, nobody knows me here. I'm going to try it and see how it goes. Mind if I take a picture? Yeah? Thank you.
What do you see?
It looks beautiful. It really does, yeah. Look at that. It looks really, really nice. Especially this with the... I like it. Yeah, thank you. Vai, obrigada.
Ok, ciao.
Yeah, ciao, ciao.
Agora